Hello world, welcome back to my channel. I am Sahil and we are developing a full secure authentication and posts management system using Node.js, MongoDB, express.js and EJS templating engine. And in previous video you have already seen how I worked on delete functionality of a post. Now today in this video I'm going to show you how to work on view a post in detail. Okay, so let's start. So this is my project inside VS Code and here I already started npm run dev command. Okay, let me close this terminal. Now first I will open this page, this page my hyphen posts.ejs file. Now here you can see this is the view button. Actually this is an anchor tag. Okay, and here in href you can see I am using /post/ then the slug of the post dynamically. Okay, so let me show you. So whenever we click view button of any post, then you can see we are redirecting to this page along with this slug here. Okay, and the content of this page is static for now, but we will make this dynamic now. Okay, let me go back and click view button for this post. Then here you can see the slug is changing in the URL. Okay, so what we will do is, let me go back here and close this file. Now let me go to routes directory and open this routes.js file. Here let's find the route for the view post in detail page. Okay, so here you can see this is the page, this is the route for the view post in detail. Okay, so here what we will do is I will change this ID here to slug because we are passing slug in the URL parameter. Okay, now here what I will do is I will use try and catch, and in error let me copy the same thing from here and paste, and I think this is good. Now in try block first I will get the slug from the parameter. So using request.params.slug we can get the slug. Now let me find the post from the database. So let's create a post and then I will use await. Here I'm using await, so here we have to use async keyword, and this route is not a protected route, so here I will not use protected route middleware. Okay, now here I will use post dot find one method. Okay, and here I will pass slug and then I will populate user. So I will also fetch the user detail of the selected post. Okay, now next I will check a condition. If post not found in the database, then we will send a flash message that post not found, and we will redirect to the my hyphen posts page. Okay, and in case post is found, then we will cut this code from here and paste here. Here I will send the post to this view also. Okay, so I think all done for this route. Let's save this file and now open this view hyphen post.ejs file, because this is the detailed view page of a post, and right now here you can see all the values are static, so we'll make this dynamic. So first let's work on this image to display dynamic image here. Okay, so I'll remove this src value of this img tag, and here I will write /uploads, and then I will use EJS output tag, and here I will write post.image. Okay, and in alt I will remove this and I will use EJS output tag, and here I will display post.title. Okay, and here you can see this is the author name. So here I will use EJS output tag, and here we can use post.user.name. Okay, and here we will display the created at date. So here I will write post.created at, and then I will change it to local to local string, and I think we have to use inside EJS output tag, so just use EJS output tag and then paste the code here. Now next, here we will display the post title, so here we will use EJS output tag post.title. okay, now inside this p tag we will display the post content, so remove all the static content and just use this post dot content. okay, let me save this file and go to the browser, let me reload and let me log in, and now go to my post. Now if I click on view button for this post, then let's see what happens. So here you can see the image is now showing dynamic and all the details like author name, created at date and time, and this is the title and this is the content of this post. okay, let me go back and click on view button for this post. So here you can see the image is now showing dynamically, the name of the author, created at, then the title, and this is the content of the post. okay, so this is now working. Now that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to make this home page dynamic. So here I will fetch all the posts from the database and display, and along with a pagination. okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit on like button and please subscribe my channel.